the
right
ball
now.
in behind from Ashwin. If he just needs the through ball right now, play it. Oh no, okay, he's going to the cutback. Surely a goal. And Van der Sar, Ashwin has been having nightmares.
Yeah.
As you can see over there, just keeping it in with Kafu.
Whoa,
And that's
that's
the moment. There you go. That's beautifully done. And that's the mark of a guy who knows this game so well. Just the way he took the shot. Like a lot of players over there would be tempted to just go for that time finish, but Saransh knows the game. He knows that the L1 R1 finish, the low driven shot, is so much more effective in these circumstances than that. We should have like a EISL meme making community. Like if anyone wants to get started, there should be a hang on this go for the shot. Have it, have it, and there you go. The Van der Sar curse is finally lifted. Don't apologize, Ashwin. It's a very good goal, and maybe apologizing to Saransh saying please don't score more goals.
Yeah,
I
let's
didn't
end
mean
it
this
here.
one. Yeah, let's just stop it right here. And Van der Sar almost got to that as well.
Enough. If you're even now, can we just play normally? Stop cursing me. But hey, hold on. Like now, there's two reactions we can expect from Saransh. Either a wounded wolf who is just gonna back down, but more likely a wounded lion who's gonna roar in response, and roar he does. Maybe the farmer goes to once he's farmed enough teams in this league. But hey,
okay, if he crosses this, and he does cross it, that's a sensational ball in. And I was just about to say that Saransh is not usually a player who uses the crosses. He's just looking so good in attack. This is incredible stuff from Saransh. Just toying with that defense. Oh,
Ashwin move wants that Messi on from Mbappe, and we'll see if that super sub that has been so far actually.
Oh, this is so good. Trying to go for that entirely on instinct over here. He's that's a great ball. I think this is it. I think this should be 4. And no, it's not. Next 10 minutes, that goal is crucial, and he's got Pele in, and Saransh overcommitted over there. Now it's about decision making. And yes, he smashed it near post this time, and also using the weak foot for a change. So Ashwin switching it up a little bit, and 3-2 suddenly Chennai FC in under a bit of pressure and just smashes that, along with the pressure from Saransh, just getting the ball pinched off his toes. And now it's Pele. He's got the shot open for Ronaldo. Has to make this happen, and that is the game. Surely, Ashwin put up a very brave fight. Came back. A lot of us would have expected the 3-1 that Saransh would quickly start running away with this. It's been very important. Now Saransh will probably cross that in, and that is saved by Schmeichel. Okay. That, for instance, Zidane can't give him. But hang on, Naveen already. That's actually very well defended there by Tika. He didn't let him get sold at all. And suddenly now on the counter attack, and now it's about Naveen's 1v1 defending. He doesn't think about it, and that's what I said about Tika. Just purely on instinct, and he's got Pele in there. This is huge! And it's in! It is in! What a start for Mumbai City FC, and a shell-shocked Naveen, because I think 99% of the opposition he's played so far, he would have scored the goal over there as soon as he can. He's found one over there. Again, Tikka, very composed on the ball, again wins that ball back, and that is...
He's not been in these kind of places before. He's usually
again,
the one
it's 1v1. I think he gets the shot away here and saved by Van der Sar. That's well done. I think that's why he almost forces the play to be much quicker. As we see again, now the 1v1. And again, brilliant defending. Risk to take over there. Is he going to make him pay over here? Going to the short corner. Now the cross will... No, not going for the cross. This time using Zidane. That's beautifully worked by Naveen. And what a save by Van der Sar. And again, it's wide. This Van der Sar guy is a bit of a problem. And no, that he's finally got that one wrong. Yeah. And that is saved by Van der Sar again. Well, what goes around appears that to come around as well. The cross comes in and it's wide.
I think it becomes a question of really how you're putting Tika into a situation where he is overthinking, where he is second guessing himself, and Naveen trying to create that panic, just passing all over the field. But so far we've seen more of what we've seen always from Tika: composure, but the space is created.
Finally makes
exactly. Pulling the strings like a puppeteer, he just slowly maneuvers himself in, and that's not a thing we say about Naveen usually, right? Slowly getting into the box, but he makes it happen.
And as the clock ticks closer to that 90-minute mark, it's going to get more and more nervy, particularly for Naveen, because he's not been in this position. And hang on,
Oh, no.
will he take the shot? He
Oh,
does,
no.
and that is again that pure instinct from Tikka. The rub of the green, the ball just sort of rolling his way that time. The sorry celebration probably justified this time around. And as we said, the fullbacks, the wide players getting involved, and surely a shot. And
Oh,
it's
and
him. Take your Mbappe, take your Cafu, and run down the flanks. Maybe you don't want to run with Cafu because it leaves your defense a bit exposed, as it might be over there. Cafu, run back, get back in play, and oh no! I think this is it for. I think this is it. Surely, and it is. It is. Naveen gets the goal, and that is. I think you have to say a bit of a mistake there from Tikka. There was no need to get his fullback so far ahead. Just play the through ball and let it go into the corner. And so for them, they need to get it together. Although right now you can just see it already straight on the attack. Got 3-4 players camped outside the box.
Oh,
the ball is played through.
Oh.
It's beautiful. That's surely a goal. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness me. That's Saranj.
Yeah,
I'm quite certain that was Saranj. That was unbelievably good. That was so good. And you could tell from the celebration how pumped he was after that. Been there myself. You try to do one trick, you get the analog input just slightly wrong and the player does something completely unnecessary. But this is... Oh my goodness. What?
Wow.
That is just... Wow. That's unstoppable there, and you can just see the Mumbai City FC bench is just looking at it like, what?
Mbappe was free right there, but instead...
Still going for it. Oh, that should be a
shot,
goal.
but wow.
And it's
Oh,
Van der
no!
Sar. Back to haunt everybody. It's Van der Sar.
Slowing it down a little bit so far, though. Zidane gets away really nicely, and Ronaldo with a lot of space.
Oh, that's well worked. His teammate almost getting in the way over there, and still has the opportunity. Just delayed that shot a little bit too much. Getting maybe a guy like Messi on, but no Messi for the time being anyway. And yeah, that's a good ball in with the roulette. Pass it, and that's a great shot fake, and straight at the keeper. So unfortunate over there in the game that Ashwin lost. So. That I think is offside. No, he keeps it going. What is that save? What on earth is that save? That is just. Look at that. All the passing lanes are just completely cut off, and I think they might have to resort to a shot over there. Take the shot. Take the shot. Oh, time finish. Gets it all wrong. The issue is Mumbai City FC who are pressing very, very high, understandably so. And now trying to get that ball into the box. They've got Zidane on it. Now Gullit worked the space well. Now to Pele. And to Ronaldo, again, could have just turned and shot, and he still has the opportunity to shoot. And he does.
Wow.
What an absolute banger into the top corner. Almost a mirror image of the goal that was scored by Eusebio in the first game. And suddenly a goal back. They get another one in the next sort of 5-6 minutes. That we could be up for a fully grandstand finale.
I mean, I certainly want that, so we'll see.
I just told him now that, you know what, just make sure we keep the ball. And just go for that high percentage chance, and that was a very high percentage chance. That not got much in terms of support. He does have Pele incoming now. Can they make it 2-2 to salvage a draw out of this? Nope. That is the end.